Hí mion sin.
Change has come, Burgred. All that remains is a coronation. A witan with the Lords of Mercia.
Burgred, my love!
My lady, are you injured? Did they hurt you?
No, no. I'm fine. Move along, Lord. Your king awaits.
Your death will come. Your end was writ the moment you came for me. I have made damn sure of that. The zealots will know your name soon enough. No matter where you are or how far you travel, they will hunt you down.
Enough of that, you squeaking sparrow.
Let my brother be the lunatic of Tamworth.
Rois, nu described the Beatles' magical mystery. Grad premium to the shop.
Desperate pleas and
Joe
promises,
Fink.
nothing
Joe
more.
Fink. I was mentioning the zealots gyda sin na dítear an I chunig mí hamad na mercenaries.
Nowhere in particular. I only want to celebrate.
Didn't think you were the type.
Níl erb sa acum sa ítear anna aiver.
We have to. That is all well and good. I've drawn some about you as well.
Are you leading a land to slaughter?
See what I mean? Dark. Too dark.
Cá sin atá.
You there. Get lost.
Well, yeah.
Sit down. I know I have been a cock, but you are a good fighter. I respect that. Let it be said that Ivar the Boneless considers Eivor a friend.
Who calls you boneless?
Some background I killed in Hibernia.
Éirín.
His guts to shine my spear. Called me boneless because I move like a reed in the wind.
Cheery Chris the Catalyst. Má daichín.
Valhalla. That is where I am bound. I can smell the blood and taste the mead. I will sit beside the High One with my axe in hand.
A fitting end for Ragnarsson.
You would think, eh? Me, Halfdan, we will be there. But Uba, no. I do not think we are chasing the same victory. Not anymore.
What does Abba want?
To grow old, fat on a farm somewhere with little Ubas to chase about.
He wants an heir. It's a common dream.
Not for a warrior. Not for Drengir like us. He was different before. But this place, England, it softened him.
People change, and it may be that you change with them, or you go your separate ways. If it bothers you so much, why not strike out on your own?
Because he is my brother. I love him. And I will do what it takes to drag him back around to my way of thinking. We are warriors, all. And that is to the death.
Ja, chachryć mi gwel ifer i'r artefnie. Dje het al lecherie gedaan. Als je er deurie gegavelen die.
Outdid myself again. Did I miss the crowning?
Ja, bof. By dyn jele y clach ag strachen. By efo'r tirach y strep. Valhalla. Jehadal.
Where is my son? We sent word to Repton, but we've had no word, Lord. I suggest we carry on.
Of. Gaidhlig. J. Rain out Ivar.
You sought me out, old friend. And here I am, standing before the throne from which I reigned not long ago.
You stand before us to accept this Witten's unanimous decision. That you are unfit to rule, and are hereby deposed. We demand the abdication of your kingdom and your crown to Thane Chairwolf.
Cafel Leothrith. And Dug Leothrith Vach. Stacha.
Marcia has spoken, Lord. The crown.
Is that you, old friend? Ah, yes, I see it now. Forgive me. The robes of righteousness sit so loosely upon your shoulders. If the heavens mismark me as king, forgive its obscuring light. Amen. Now, where is my crown? Forgive my nerves. Here I am, an upright man who never once learned how to bend the knee. And yet, I shall try. Ah, how simple it is. How easy to kneel without fear and feeling.
He's mocking you, man. I'd kill the fucker.
Worry not, Dane. I shall resign this crown, and this pagan-infested kingdom, and the favours of these two-faced men. But I will do so on my terms. My demands are simple. Firstly, you must...
You fool. Look around you. You have no leverage here. Plead for your life, for it is the only thing these men will grant you.
Mishas Nabali.
Yes, yes. Forgive me, I... Do not harm me. I beg of you. Please. I'll go anywhere. Here. I resign it. Here.
Take this lord and his wife to Rome. He is hereby exiled, never to return.
Caraid.
The Witten recognizes King Chairwolf.
We turn around and die. Good
Second
check.
of his name, a just king, a merciful king. God save the king.
Better be worth all this trouble.
Mercian soldiers marching on Repton.
Leofrith.
Loyal to the ugly and the bastard.
Gather what men you have and split them between the north and south gates. That should divide his forces.
Chilbert is there. Eivor, you must save my son.
Jay hurts me.
We'll come through this, I promise.
I will stay here with Chilwell. Go.
Okay. Garepton. I guess I say a chance down. Still didn't get very lekker. No.